How to create a powerful and effective vision board. I'm Miriam from Precious Time, and my mission is to help you become the best version of yourself. Vision boards have become very popular and are a very useful tool used by many coaches, gurus, consultants, and even celebrities. A lot of celebrities now endorse vision boards and speak highly of the many benefits associated with this manifestation tool. If you would like to join the millions of people that are vision boarding, then this video is for you. Now, what's different about this video is I would be sharing with you a few steps that I'm sure you haven't seen before, unless you've done my courses or attended my workshops. So first, I would like to start with you with an exercise, and it's going to be truly a profound exercise because this is going to be serving as the foundation or the base of your vision board. So instead of starting to collect random intentions and goals and placing them on your vision board, this exercise will be an eye-opener. It's going to help you focus. It's going to help you know what is it you want? What do you want your future to look like? What is it you want to attract into your life? Who do you want to be in your future? And once all these answers are gathered, and you start creating your masterpiece, you're going to feel how powerful it is, how effective it is, and you will be trying to manifest your reality of all the goals and intentions you truly want to accomplish. So we're going to start first with a bit of definition, a bit of background, and then we're going to dive into this exercise. Take as much time as you want because the questions are kind of deep questions, so take time, answer them to the best of your truthful self, and then once that's done, we move forward to creating the physical vision board, your masterpiece. All right, if you like this video and you would like to subscribe to my channel, then you'll always be updated with the rest of my self-growth and professional development videos. I also encourage you to check the rest of my videos as well. Okay, let's begin. Introduction. A vision board is a visualization tool which refers to any type of board used to build a collage of words, images, affirmations, quotes, and photos that represent your goals, your dreams, and your intentions. The vision board's main purpose is to serve as a source of inspiration and motivation to manifest your dreams, your goals, and your intentions and turn them into a reality. Vision boards have been a very useful tool used by many gurus, coaches, consultants, and celebrities. They help organize your thoughts, your goals, and your intentions into a physical board. And this helps you to see clearly what you want brought into your life and what you want to attract into your life. The history of vision boards. Vision boards became very popular in the early 2000s when The Secret came out and The Law of Attraction came out, both the book and the movie. And we became very interested in the whole concept of the law of attraction. And also celebrities like Steve Harvey and Oprah started endorsing vision boards and talking about them openly and how they use them in their daily lives. Now, however, according to Joyce Schwartz, vision boards date back to the caveman era. Interesting. Where anthropologists determined that certain cave paintings were created in order to envision an upcoming hunt, which means they were trying to set an intention for a successful hunt. So these paintings were not just to decorate the living spaces, but rather used as vision boards to manifest their goals into a reality. We also have evidence that vision boards were also used by the Native Americans and by the South Pacific natives. Do vision boards work? Vision boards do work because they take the thoughts, dreams, and intentions in our heads and turn them into something real intangible. By doing this, we are communicating with our subconscious mind and telling it to work hard in order to help us manifest our intentions. So our subconscious will help us through our actions and decisions to achieve our goals and turn our intentions into a reality. However, simply making a vision board and storing it away in a closet just to look at it every now and then won't get you anywhere, right? As with everything else in life, you need to get how much effort and time you put into it. So the power of a vision board comes in its ability to motivate you to do the work that is required in order to make the things you want become a reality. So if you believe in the law of attraction, a vision board will help you manifest all your intentions, your goals, and your dreams. So believe, trust, and you shall receive. The benefits of vision boards. There are many benefits of creating a vision board. So as we said, it helps you clear your mind and set your goals and intentions. So now you can focus and have a clear idea of what is it you want to attract into your life. It inspires you and it motivates you. It helps you turn all your thoughts, ideas, and desires into something tangible, something you see in front of you every day. It helps you see the big picture of your life. It helps you in determining what you want your future to look like. By setting your dreams, thoughts, and intentions on the vision board, you are saying yes to the abundance of the universe. You are attracting your desires into your life and attracting everything you wish would happen in your life. So it helps you manifest your reality, and it serves as a daily reminder to help you achieve your goals. So when you every day you look at your vision board and you remember that these are your goals and these are your intentions and you really want to achieve them, it inspires you to work hard and continue working hard to achieve everything you want. It gives you the clarity and the focus, and at the end it is your masterpiece, right? So there is no right or wrong. This is you, your life, and what you want to attract into it. Facts about vision boards. So as we mentioned already, there is no right or wrong. Just tailor your vision board to your needs and to your personality preferences. Your vision board should reflect you and your true intentions. It shouldn't be a copy of someone else's vision board, or it shouldn't be an imitation of someone else's desires or intentions or goals. It should be truly your vision board. What is it you want? It should be done in a way that it totally and completely inspires and motivates you. So every day when you look at it, you just feel the excitement and you just feel the motivation to make all this happen. So it should bring a smile to your face, it should bring excitement to your heart, and it should totally motivate your mindset. Of course, it shouldn't be a chore. You shouldn't be doing it as a must. You should be doing it out of willingness and out of believing that your vision board will help you manifest your goals. And of course, it shouldn't be forced. Creating your vision board. So we have come to the part of the course where the magic is gonna start. As I mentioned at the beginning, this segment involves a few steps before you start creating your vision board. So step 1, we are gonna do the Wheel of Life assessment exercise. Step 2, I will tell you what type of materials you can use. And then step 3, you would start putting everything together. Step 4, your board is looking great, and then you need to decide where to put it. This is very important, where you place your vision board. And then step 5, we would discuss what should you do next once your vision board is done. 1. The Wheel of Life Assessment Exercise. Now, if you've done courses with me before, or if you've attended my workshops, you would know it's a tool I highly use in all my programs. It's something that I've created, and I feel it has been so beneficial to all my students and all my clients. As the name implies, it is the wheel or the picture of your whole life, and it's divided into 10 main segments. If you check out the segments, you will notice that it covers almost everything in your life. So let's discuss it more. Segment 1 is family, which includes parents, children, extended family, spouse, romance, intimacy, parenting. Section 2 is health and fitness. Section 3 is personal growth. Section 4 is fun and recreation. Section 5 is your social life, friends, social life, community involvement, contribution, volunteering, and so on. 6 is money. 7 is work. 8 is living environment. 9 is self-image, your self-esteem, how do you feel about yourself. And 10 is your spirituality. Now, these are numbered. It doesn't mean any form of importance, just random numbers. It doesn't mean number 1 is family and number 10 is spirituality. You could, number it any way you like. But these 10 segments are going to help you determine what is it you want to attract into your life. If you look at the wheel, you look at personal growth, for instance. Is it something you're totally satisfied with? Then you're good. You move over. You look into your health and fitness. Are you satisfied here? Or maybe one of your goals is to work on your fitness well-being. Maybe you want to live a better, healthier lifestyle. So this gives you an idea that in this segment, you do have a goal to accomplish. So when you start creating your vision board, you would include something to reflect this reality. Same with fun and recreation. Are you happy? Is it something you want to work on? Same with social, same with money. Are you happy in your career? Are you looking for a job that pays you more? Do you want to change careers? And so on and so forth. So when you answer the questions of this wheel, you know exactly what you want to include in your vision board. So therefore, when you create your vision board, you are creating it exactly to the future you seek, to the future you look forward to. And of course, every segment you be creative. For instance, let's assume you want to change your work. Let's look at the work segment and assume that it's something you want to change. So then you would include a photo of the change you want. Maybe you want to become an executive. So maybe you'd have a photo of a desk, of somebody important sitting on a desk, maybe you sitting on that desk. Maybe, I don't know, you want to move into one of these big companies, then you can include the logo of the company in your vision board. You get the point, right? So these 10 segments are going to help you cover every area of your life. So when the vision board is done, you feel it's the complete picture of your life. I hope you found this video interesting, and I hope you found the exercise of the Wheel of Life assessment inspiring, useful, and valuable. Now, after watching this, I hope you're excited to start creating your masterpiece, creating the most powerful, empowering, and creative vision board. So this video is enough for you to start vision boarding. However, if you feel you would like to dig deeper into the steps that I mentioned in the video but did not cover, feel free to sign up for my course. I will leave the link in the description below. I would like to offer my course for January and February of 2021 totally and completely free, because I truly want to give everybody a chance, everybody who ever thought of vision boarding or ever thought of getting to know this tool more. I want to give them a chance to learn how to vision board and truly start to benefit from this wonderful manifestation tool. As always, thank you for watching, and always reach out to me with all your concerns, comments, and suggestions. Until my next video, stay tuned.